Hello children, good morning. Everybody fine? Yeah, very fine. Good. Today we are going to see the remaining topics, yes? Remaining topics of this chapter. Which chapter we are now seeing? Which chapter we are learning? Second lesson, yes? Geography, second lesson. We are seeing about the interior of the earth, yes? Is there no? One girl saw the dream. He went to well, he didn't see anything. So that the earth is entire is a darkness. But some hot is coming from inside. Yes. So interior of this earth, how many it's divided? How many it can be divided? 3 layers. How many layers? 3 layers. Just one glance we are going the previous video. Yes. Okay. Crust, mantle and core. Crust is a uppermost part. Yes. It is made of silicon, aluminium and magnesium. Mantle. It's a 2 parts are there. Yes. Is it no? Upper mantle and a lower mantle. Upper is plastic form. Lower mantle is a solid form. Yeah, very good. That girl said very nice. And innermost part, what is that? Core. That is made of nickel and ferrous. Yes. Then we saw about the rocks and minerals. Yes. Is that no? Yes. Rocks are made of 1 or 2 minerals. 1 or 2 minerals. What is minerals? Tadukal. Yes. What is minerals? That are solid substance with definite chemical combinations. The rock has been classified into 3 types. How many types, children? 3 types. Igneous rock, sedimentary rock and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks is formed by solidifications of magma. Magma where it will be? It will be inside the earth. Sedimentary rocks, that is formed by consolidations of sedimentations up layer upon layer. Oruginipu. Consolidation means what? Oruginipu. And then we saw metamorphic rocks. Now today we are going to see the metamorphic rock. Okay. What is metamorphosis? It means change of form. Urumatra paregal. The stone changes as a marble. Yes. For example, we can say the marble. Yes. See, these rocks change their forms of the pressure and high temperature. So we can call these rocks what? Metamorphic rock. Urumatra paregal. They are changed form of sedimentary rocks or igneous rocks. Due to the heat and pressures, these rocks will be change their physical and chemical composition. So this changes, we can say what? What's this? The process we can say? Metamorphism. Sandstone, due to the metamorphism, the sandstone gets converted into quartzite and sail into slate. Slate பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? நம்ம எழுதுவோம்ல குச்சி வச்சு. அது எப்படி இருக்குமா? First களி அந்த மண்ணு அதெல்லாம் போட்டு composition that we can mix in textures, it will can get a fine textures. Yes. So that is changed as a slate. அதான் உருமாற்றம். For example, see parent rock, metaphorist rock. Sandstone என்னதா மாறுது? Quartzite. Sail என்னதா மாறுது? Slate மாறுது. Limestone என்னதா மாறுது? What it changed? Marble. Yes, this all turn as a different shape along with the climate. Yes, according to the climate. Now we are going to see the rock cycle. Rock cycle. Already I said rocks are made of one or two minerals. Yes, yes. Rocks get recycled from one form to another. Just now I said these rocks can be changed. Yes, it is recycled one form to another form. The form of cycle of changes. The igneous rock are formed by solidifications of hot magma. See, other kulambu, eri kulambugal, that hot material inside the air, that is magma, I said. Yes. See, if it is melting inside and then is cooled, it's become as a igneous rocks. If we broke that one, it comes as a sediments according to the weathering and erosions. Yes, see in this picture also. The igneous rocks, weathered, it changes as pebbles and stones. It we can see in the river or other agents of the weathering. Frozen means தண்ணி நிறைந்ததான இடத்துக்கு நம்ம என்ன செய்யலாம் பார்க்கலாம். The layer by the layer consolidations of sediments forms sedimentary rock. இந்த கல்லுகள்லாம் சேர்ந்து ஒரு காம்படிஷன் ஆன் செடிமெஷன் என்ன செய்யுது மாறுது. The igneous and sedimentary rocks change their form to the heat and pressure over the years. So we can அப்படியே ஹீட் ஆகி ப்ரெஷர் ஆகி அதோட எரோஷன்ஸ் அது எல்லாமே மாறும்போது மெல்ட்டாக என்னதான் மாறிது, அது ஒரு பாறங்கள்லாம் மாறிடுது. அதை நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம், மெட்டமார்பிக் ராக்ஸ். Over a period of time, the rocks get buried and due to the heat and pressures, these rocks are again converted into magma. Paru, magma inside is melting, then cooling after igneous is coming, then sedimentation is happening, then it's becoming sedimentary. For a long year, it's happening heat and pressure, then it's turned as a metamorphic. Then again it's melting and buried. Again it started as a magma, then it's a one of the rock cycle. Again and again it will change as a different rocks. Okay. Children, can you understand me? Yes. Who are saying yes? Very good. So with this we have complete this chapter. I hope have understood this chapter. Yes? Yes, children. Now you take your classwork note. Take your classwork note. That remaining classwork, that first question only finished in the first video. Yes? The previous video. Now you write second question. Now you write second question. How are the sedimentary rocks found? How it's formed? It's a breakup into smaller and smaller. Yes, like a weathering as ice, water and wind. So over time the upper layer precious the lower layers. Yes. So it forms a sediment rock. Okay, write neatly. I give the time for you. Write neatly, children. Today some classwork is there. More classwork is there. So, okay, don't fear. You write slowly. Okay. Write neatly also, not slowly. Write it fast. Okay. You have more questions are there in this question, in this lesson. So take your own time and write. Not your own time means don't take more than 5 minutes. Okay, write it fast. Now, third question. What is rock cycle? See, rocks get recycled from one form to another form. So we can say that is cycle of changes. Yes, I taught you in that lesson, this lesson, the picture. Yes, yes, write it. I give the time for you. Now, fourth question. Discuss the formation of igneous rock. Write neatly. Now you write, define the following terms in one line. Metamorphism. Due to the heat and pressures, these rocks will be changed as a physical and chemical composition. Yes. So this process, what we can say? Metamorphism. Soil. The topmost layer of 5 particles in which the plants grow. Soil is used to grow the plants. Yes. Yes. Fossils. The remains of plants and animals embedded in rocks. Minerals. The solid substance. மூலக்கூறுகளால் நிறைந்தது. Yes. Which have a definite chemical composition and have a crystalline structure. Lava. The hot molten material that comes out of the earth surface volcanic eruptions is called what? Lava. Okay, write neatly, children. I give the time for you. Write neatly, okay? Write neatly, children. Write it fast. Don't waste your time, okay? Simply don't waste your time in your house. You do the useful things, okay? I give the time for you. Write, children. Write. Now you write differentiate between. Roman letter third, yes, in your book. Intrusive rocks and extrusive rocks. See, in the intrusive rocks, magma solidified just below the earth's surface to form rocks. Yes, these rocks then formed as a intrusive rocks. But it is extrusive rocks. What is that? That is on the earth. Okay, that is a different. Only one word is a difference from intrusive rocks and extrusive rocks. Okay, this magma solidifies below, but it is in a on. If you studied one, you can answer both. Yes, just you want to keep only one word in your mind. Then second differentiator, igneous rock and sedimentary rocks. I taught you very clearly this lesson, yes, this point, yes. The solidification of magma, but is a layer upon the layer. This rocks is, igneous rocks is rich in mineral, but it is fusel fuels, yes. We can store as a remaining parts of the plant and a animal, yes. Third one, igneous rocks is fine granite, but it is smooth and layer. For example, we can say igneous rocks is granite and gabbro. This is limestone and sandstone. Okay, write neatly. I give the time for you. See, I am not given any number, yes, but you see the book from the book. Give the number for this question. Differentiate between igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks. Like that you want to write. Okay, children? Then only you can understand. This is second question, yes? Yes. Now third question, this is crust and core. See and write. Where the crust will be available? It is in the uppermost, yes? But core is the innermost layer. Yeah. One line, if you read and write means it's easy for you. You can study now itself, yes? Write it fast, write neatly, children. Now fourth one, differentiate between rock and mineral. Rocks are made of minerals. Minerals are solid substance that have definite chemical composition. Yeah, you write it. Write neatly, children. Your handwriting should be neat, okay? Write neatly, don't run. Write it fast, but write neatly. Now, all of you take your book in your hand. Everybody take everybody. Page number 129. The innermost layer of the earth entire is the, which answer will come? Core. First one is C. Mark it. C. As we move inside the earth, the temperature increases at the rate of A. 1 degree Celsius for every 32 meters. Very good. Mark. Basalt is an example of Igneous rock. The metamorphosed rock of sandstone is quartzite. The remains of plants and animals are called fossils. Yes. So now we are finished classwork and book activity also. Yes? Yes, children? Yes. Now, all of you take your homework page, homework note page. Today I am giving less homework only, okay? I am not giving more, only 4 only, okay? Because I gave the classwork for you more, yes? But you can write, my children are very good, yes? Yeah. Very good, very good. Good children. Did you take your homework page? Yeah. First one you write. Dash are smooth and layered. Second one. Igneous rocks are rich in dash. In which one, ma? Still, say me. Say children. Yeah, very good. But that girl said answer. That boy also said, okay, very good. My children are very good. Yes, very good. Third one, average density of mantle is 5.5 gram slash cm3 cube. Fourth one, dash get recycled from one farm to another. Which it's recycled. If you listen my chapter while I'm teaching time from beginning to last, if you have listened means you can answer now itself. No need to see your book to search. Yes? Yes. Very good. Almost we have finished 3 chapters, yes? History first lesson. Geography 2 lessons we are finished, yes? Yes. Okay, children? Children, we will meet with next lesson in next video. Stay home, stay safe. Don't go anywhere. This climate is not good, okay? Some diseases are spreading in over through the world, yes? So, be safe. Stay in your home, okay? Don't go anywhere. Maintain your body healthy also. Eat healthy food. Drink always water, okay? Drink more water. Don't simply watch the TV, okay? Whenever you get thirsty, you want to drink the water. Drink more water, okay children? Then only the disease will not affect our body. We want to prevent from the diseases, yes? Yes children. Always clean your hand. Maintain the physical distance from others. Physical distance means that is social distance. We are studying social studies, so be careful, yes? We want to maintain the social distance, yes? Okay children, we'll meet in the next video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you children.